Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you demonstration how to open Demat account absolutely free, and you can open Demat account with the help of only Internet Explorer. So now you have good amount of money in your bank account. You can invest those money in share market and earn some money. It's very amazing trick for the earning money with the help of Demat account. So how to open Angel Broking Demat account, and this Demat account opening is absolutely free. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So now open your Google and type here ANGEL BROKING. So first URL is coming. I am putting this URL in the video description as well. So first of all, open this link and look at this. Here some related information is available like Angel Broking. So here open free Demat account, zero broking charges for the first 30 days and offer in after 11 days, means 31st August is the last date of free Demat account opening. So some other related information is available here. So now it's mandatory to some document like Aadhaar Card, PAN card and passport size photograph need to upload, and just simply here uploading your information. And now current city Aurangabad, Maharashtra, and just simply open your Demat account. Wait couple of seconds. So now I am putting my name here, mobile number, my city name, and here OTP. So now I am putting the OTP 755224 and then open. So it's congratulations. Actually I already filled some related information, but you just only next and upload your address proof, photographs and bank account detail, and your Demat account is successfully completed, and your Demat account after 24 hours or 48 hours it's open. You receive one email regarding the username password, and this username password you can apply directly on here. Click here login, and here options are come login, user login. So and then after you receive one email account, because tomorrow morning I also open this Angel Broking Demat account. So right now I am not receiving any kind of username and password. After 24 hours I am receiving this username and password, and then I'm signing, and then I invest some money for the online for the stock markets. Meanwhile I will make some videos in futures related to how to purchase shares in different companies. So stay tuned and subscribe my YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.